I'm at the TA in Cuba, Missouri. They're the one with the Dottie's restaurant. Haven't been to the restaurant, but great big freaking parking lot here. Pretty much got to park on this side to get in there to do laundry and take a shower. Huge parking lot. Decent place. Got some reserve spots over here. Everybody seems to be parking a good spot so everybody can get out. Hate it when people block the way. Like if they stacked them 3 wide over here on the curb, then those guys couldn't get out. That's when you get out and shake somebody's truck and they get pissed off. But I mean, park like a human.